highly efficient production capacities, and the proven management skills ranks the group far beyond other small factories. Quality first with excellent customer service and highly innovative products and production, always aiming to be unique. Through unrelenting efforts, the group has grown into one of the largest included in the prestigious top 10 small kitchen appliance export companies of China. Innovation is the soul of the group. This is proven by the high level of attention. The group pays to technical innovation through its independent R&D center and laboratory authorized by ETL. Industry-leading equipment devoted solely to testing and quality control, along with a team of highly talented employees, ensure that the group is the industry leader in innovation. Further proof of this overriding philosophy is the garnering of over 200 inventions and patents obtained by the group. The group has perfected new product development to the point that it takes them less than 3 months to complete the appearance design, a functional prototype, and tooling. This is unrivaled in the industry.